Hello viewers, how are you all doing? I'm Mahdi Hassan. In today's video, we're going to find out how we can program Bell so that Bell literally lights up. So Bell has two RGB LEDs and we know they can be lit up with programming. So in this video, we're going to find out. So let's get started. Hello guys, welcome to another video of Adama Robotics. In this video, we're going to learn about the RGB LEDs, how we can light them up in our Bell robot. First of all, let's go to the Adama script IDE. Here, we will be in the Arduino mode, okay? Then, as you can see here, in the robots category, in the Bell section, we have Adama script program. We always have to take this program in the beginning. Without this program, other programs are not gonna run. Then, from this section, here as you can see, the operations block. From here, this block, as it says, set LED all, we'll have to take this block and drop it underneath it. Now, before we proceed any further, let us learn what is RGB. RGB stands for red, green, and blue. These three colors combine to give other colors. Their combination will give us white. Here, as you can see, in the color circle. So, we can replicate this in the RGB LED that we have on our Bell robot. First of all, let's go to the IDE. Here, as you can see on the block, set LED all. In our Bell robot, we have two LEDs, one on the left and the other on the right. Then there, we can choose which value to give on red or green or blue, whatever color you like. So, when we give 255 to red, and then go to controls, and then wait for 1 second, what happens is, the red LED lights up. So, let us upload the program on our Bell robot. First of all, let's connect the Bell robot. When we connect the Bell robot, we have to go to the Connect menu and choose the COM port. Then, from boards, we have to choose Bell. After that, we have to go to the section on the right and press Upload to Arduino. At the bottom right corner, you will see there's a progress bar which progresses. Sometimes it goes back a little bit here as you can see, but then it finishes. After uploading, you'll get a window like this, Upload Finish. Just close it, unplug your Bell, and then turn it on. You will see the red LED turning on in both of them. Now, there's one thing to remember. As Bell is designed with a microcontroller, microcontrollers always keep the last program in their memory. Okay, so that means here as you can see in our program set LED, we have turned it on, but we didn't turn it off afterwards. And how can we turn it off? We have to pass value 0 on the next block. Maybe we could do something like this. We duplicate this block and we put 0. Then our Bell would light up for 1 second and then turn the light off forever, because this is the last program and it will save this bit, this memory, this state, as you can say. So, this is how we can light up Bell and then make the light go off. Now, what if we want to light up multiple colors? What if we want to see green color as well, also the blue color? So what we can do is we can just pass the value green here, and then let's duplicate it and drop it underneath, then pass 0 here, and then put the 255 value for blue. So this program, as you can see here, first of all, program always works in step-by-step format, in sequence, okay, in logical sequences. So whenever we start the program, it starts from AdamaScript program and then goes to the first line, set LED all, red 255. That means we are passing current on the red portion of the LED. And then the control stays here for 1 second and then goes to the second block where the green is turned on, and then it stays for 1 second, and then the blue is turned on and stays for 1 second. And at the end, let's check out what happens when we turn all of them together. All right, this would be the last state. So let us connect our bell, choose the COM port, and check if it is bell or not, and then press the button Upload to Arduino on the right corner of the screen on top. At the bottom, we can see the progress bar. Just give it a couple of seconds before it uploads the program. It says 100 by 100, so upload finish. Now, unplug the bell and turn it on. You will see red, green, blue, and then white. And white will be the last state. If we wanted to turn it off, you'd have to pass or put a block underneath at the end with 0, 0, 0 values. So guys, this was a simple and straightforward example of how we can light up with bell. Alright? In the next lessons, we will learn about other sensors and actuators that we have in bell. Thank you so much for watching and stay tuned.